Hey guys, welcome to weteachacademy.com. Here in this presentation we are going to discuss exterior angle property. Let me explain this concept with a rough diagram. There is a triangle ABC with the angles 1 and 2 at the vertices A and B over here. Now let us extend the line BC to D. And there is one more line segment CE which is parallel to AB, making two more angles 4 and 5. By observing the diagram, we can say CE is parallel to AB, and here angle 1 is equal to angle 4 as they are pair of alternate interior angles. As BD is a transversal which intersect parallel lines CE and AB, we get angle 2 is equal to angle 5, which is nothing but a pair of corresponding angles. Let us write angle 1 is equal to angle 4 as equation 1 and angle 2 is equal to angle 5 as equation 2. Now let us add these equations 1 and 2. Now we get angle 1 plus angle 2 in the left hand side, which is equal to angle 4 plus angle 5 in the right hand side. That implies angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to angle ACD. By observing the diagram, it is clear that angle 4 plus angle 5 is equal to angle ACD, which is an exterior angle. So hence we can say that exterior angle is equal to the sum of interior opposite angles. So let us proceed to find angle A from the figure using this exterior angle property. We know that angle ACD is equal to angle A plus angle B, and here angle C is given as 120 and angle B is equal to 60 degrees. So we can write it as 120 degrees is equal to angle A plus angle 60 degrees, which implies angle A is equal to 120 minus 60 degrees. We get here angle A is equal to 60 degrees. So we can say that sum of two interior opposite angles is equal to exterior angle. This was the basic introduction on exterior angle property. Hope you understood the concept. Do like and subscribe to weteachacademy.com. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.